Today I'm going to show you how to share your NordVPN connection from your PC directly to your PS5. For this tutorial, we'll be using the mobile hotspot method. This is the easiest and most reliable way to use a VPN on your PS5 without installing anything on the console itself. And before we start, use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price while following along. First, let's set up NordVPN on your Windows PC. The steps are almost similar for Mac. First, use the link in the description to download and install NordVPN on your device. Choose a plan, and then download the NordVPN installer for Windows. Once the installer is downloaded, open it and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. The installation is simple and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Once it's installed, launch the app and log in with your NordVPN account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly in the app using your email, or log in with Google, Apple, or Microsoft. Before connecting to any VPN server, it's a good idea to check your current IP address and location. You can do this by visiting a website like whatismyip.com or simply Googling "What is my IP?" This will help you confirm later that your VPN connection is working correctly. Now, it's time to connect. NordVPN gives you two main options: the Quick Connect button, which automatically connects you to the fastest available server, or manually choosing a server from the map or server list. If you select a server in another country, your IP address will appear as if you are in that location. For example, connecting to a server in the UK will give you a UK IP, allowing you to access content restricted to that region. After connecting, check your IP again on the same website you used before. You should see a different IP and location, confirming that the VPN is active. You can also test access to region-restricted websites or services, like streaming platforms or online banking portals in another country. Once the VPN is connected, open your Windows settings, go to Network and Internet, and find the mobile hotspot option. Turn it on and set it to share your connection over Wi-Fi. Windows will show your hotspot name and password. You can leave them as is or change them, totally up to you. At this point, your computer is broadcasting a Wi-Fi network that runs through your VPN. Now, just grab your PS5, go to Settings, open Network, and choose Set up Internet Connection. Select Wi-Fi. Look for the hotspot name you saw on your PC. Enter the password and connect. Once it connects, your PS5 is officially using your VPN-protected connection. This gives you encrypted traffic, better privacy, access to geo-restricted content, and even an extra layer of protection against DDoS attacks during online gaming. This method is super useful if your router doesn't support VPNs, or if you just want your PS5 on a specific VPN server without changing your whole home network. It's fast, it's simple, and it works perfectly with NordVPN. And that's the full guide. If you want the best speeds and protection for your console, use the link in the description to get NordVPN with a massive discount.